Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you guys are able to join me for another one. This one is going to be a DIY candle sconce, and we're going to get right into the tutorial. I'm going to be using this color wash tint to paint this 2x4 that I have cut into sections. I'm just pouring it into a little plastic cup just to have it readily available, and I'm going to take my brush, and it's really straightforward. I'm just going to brush the color on. And I had already pre-sanded the board, made sure there was no pieces sticking up, and we're just going to go ahead and paint the color on. You can let it dry and then go in and add a second and third coat if you want. The more coats that you add, the darker that the color will get. For me, I am going to just use one coat. So once I go ahead and finish coating the board, I make sure I get the edges and the sides. I just let it dry overnight so that it's completely dry. And while it is drying, I go ahead and work on the next part. So while the board is drying, I'm just going to take this black paint, and I got these candle holders from the mason jars that you guys will see me use in next week's DIY. So I'm just adding a coat of black paint because some of the candle holders actually had scratches and I wanted a more polished look. So I just use that same paintbrush, add a layer of paint, and leave them to dry with the wood. Okay, so once everything is dry, I am going to flip the board over so that I can hang the wall brackets. I got these sawtooth hangers from Walmart, and I believe they're only like 97 cents. I just used the ruler to make sure that they will go on straight. I ended up using 3 of the sawtooth hangers because I wanted to make sure it would firmly stay mounted to the wall. It's really simple to add them. As long as you have a power drill, you can screw the screws in very easily. Okay, so now that the wall hangers are on and everything is completely dry, I am going to attach the candle holders to the wood using a mixture of E6000 and hot glue. I just want to make sure that it has a secure hold, and I am also going to let that dry overnight so that it will fully adhere. So another suggestion I want to make is once you go ahead and get them glued to the piece of wood, definitely put something underneath the bottom of the candle holder, because as you'll see in just a second, if you just let it go and don't give it anything to support it, it'll tip down. So put something underneath it, let it support it, and allow the glue to dry overnight. And that's what you'll have once it dries. And here's the finished product. Once I got it hung on the wall, it really sparkled. The gold that's in that color wash tint really sticks out, and it kind of looks like the striations that the wood, like the original wood, would have. But once you get a little bit closer, you can really see how it sparkles and how it shines and just how pretty it is. And it makes for a really nice mood setter. The only thing that I would have done different is done something to cover up the glue that you can see. And mine are a little uneven, but other than that, I think it turned out really nicely. And once you light the candles and you turn off the light in the room that you're in using this, see how it just sparkles, and the flame from the candle really enhances the glitter that's in the color tint. I really love this DIY. I hope you guys did too. It's so pretty. So I really want to thank you guys for joining me for another week. I love having you come through, watch all of the videos. Please make sure that you're sharing. Also hit that subscribe button. And wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are having a great day. And always keep creating. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.